everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today it's time to change out my makeup basket. If you saw my Try to Get Ready With Me, you know I've had the flu. I've been like 3 weeks with the flu and I'm starting to feel bad again, so I'm just going to try to get through this video and hopefully my next videos will be much better. But first, let's go through what I currently have in my makeup basket and then we will switch things out. So currently I'm using my CoverGirl Plus Olay Simply Ageless Foundation. My color is 250 Creamy Beige. Boy, I'm getting close to the end, but I'm going to switch this out and I'll show you what I'm going to use next. I am using this powder I frankened. I'm going to keep this in just because I don't really feel like I need to pull out another powder. We'll just use this one. I've been using my Makeup Forever HD Skin concealer and my color is 2R. I'm going to switch that out. I just like to rotate them. Let's see. I used up my primer. It's going in my empties there. It was a sample, so I'll need a primer. I will be keeping my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick in. That's going to stay in. And I always have, this is always in my contour. I have been using this Tarte's mascara. I think I'm going to go another time around with this. And then I really should switch it out. But we'll go one more time with it. I have been using my Soft Ochre eyeshadow primer. I think I'm going to keep this one in this time around again. And in here I have, let me pull these things out. These are the liners I've been using. Oh, my Brow Power. I'm going to keep that in. And then the eyeshadow liners, or not eyeshadow, but my eyeliners I've been using, I use this Neutrogena gray one. I'm going to switch it out. And I really like this Illuminati metallic one I got recently in Ipsy. I think I'm going to go ahead and switch it out this time around. And I had in this Urban Decay 24/7 in Perversion, which is black. I'm going to switch those out. For my lips, I had Pillow Talk 2. Is this 2? Yeah, it's the medium from Charlotte Tilbury. Huda's Spice Girl, that's going to go back. And this Beauty Vault in Bloomy Bow. This one's very neutral on me. For lips, I had... let me put these things back in here right now. My basket. I had Kylie Liquid Lip in, grab my glasses, I can't see. Okay, this lip is in Butterfly, It's Going. And then I have a Wayne Gloss and it's in Hibiscus. It's going to go. I think I can read these others. I have a little Melt Mini in Frisky. And it's actually a very nice neutral shade. But I use that one. And I have two Besame little minis. I have 1930, which I did use. It's a dark color. And then I have 1969. Yes, I really like this shade. That's a pretty color. And then for eyeshadows, I had this little palette I got in my Ipsy. I keep wanting to, is it a KC collection or YC collection? I don't remember. This little Sela palette. This little Pat McGrath Bijou Brilliance eyeshadow palette. It's very pretty. And then the Nomad, yeah, that's right. It sounded funny. Chamois Après-Ski palette, the new Nomad palette. I am actually going to rotate that out now. And so I'm going to go now and pull all new things, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I've picked out some stuff. First, for foundation, well, first, for primer, I went in my samples, and I've got Tatcha, the silk canvas. If I run out of these, I have more of these, but this is what I'm going to use this go around, however long it takes. And then for foundation, I recently purchased from Shop Miss A this AOA Studio Dewy foundation. My color is L2. I'd like to get L1. I wore this just on its own, and I didn't like how it sat on my face. I mean, it was okay, but it wasn't my favorite. But I'm going to try to mix it with this Tarte. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, and this color is, it's medium neutral, but it's dark. So I'm hoping if I mix the two together, we'll see what happens. We'll see if that works. And then for my concealer, this Wet n Wild Incognito in, what color are you? Light beige. Light beige. Okay, for lips, I did pick a lip oil. I felt like I've needed one. So I pulled out the hard candy. I really like this one. Glosstopia. And Deep Desire is the shade, flavor, whatever. There we go. Now I got a couple bullets and a couple of liquid. So I got a Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick. It's one with Shane Dawson, and this is Ryland. Is it Ryland? Let me put my glasses back on and see. Sorry guys, sorry. It is Ryland. I was correct. It's in the shade Ryland. Yep. It's so pretty. Smells fine. So I gotta use these. And then also I have a Wayne Goss. No, sorry, scratch that. I have a Merit. I think this is considered a lip oil. Tinted lip oil in Pink Beet. I use it more like a liquid lip. I mean, it's a little sheer, but it's very pigmented. So I got that one. And then for my two bullets, I've got NARS in Limon. NARS in Rose Cliff. This is very pretty neutral. There we go. That's that one. And then I also have a Huda in Honeymoon. This is a matte. It's a matte. Very pretty. So those are the shades I picked for this go around. I think those will work good together. And for liners to go with that, this time I did pick the liners after I picked the lips. So I got Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie Jenner in, I believe this is Sweater Weather. I'll just mark it here. Sweater Weather. See, that goes with that. I also got Wayne Goss in, what color is this one? Natural Berry. Again, that's that one right there. And Beauty Vault in Pink Perla, to give us, if we want something a little deeper. So those are what I chose. While we're here, I'll show you the eyeliners I got a Sephora eyeliner in Night Blue. The pretty navy. Been feeling blues lately. And then I got a BH Cosmetics in Shimmer Teal. Man, I miss BH Cosmetics. Shimmer Teal. Pretty. And then last, this must have come in an Ipsy 1999 precision color pencil. And let me see if it has a shade name. Lustro. I haven't even used it, that's why I pulled it. It's a nice nude for my waterline. So, and then last, I picked 3 eyeshadow palettes. I didn't pick any small ones this time. I went with a little bigger. So I decided Natasha Denona Retro Glam. I thought we will use this one. I'm feeling springy. Even though it's not spring, I'm feeling springy. I tried to pull one I haven't used in a long time. My Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Carly Bible. And that's what it looks like. And then last, this one is Suva, the Rose Period. This was gifted to me by my friend Clara. I'll link her channel down below. She gifted me that. Thank you. That is a beautiful palette. Those shades will go with that Shane Dawson lip. Play around with that. So there we go. That's what I'm going to be using the next, I don't know, couple weeks or so. I hope I don't get sick again and it take longer, but yeah, that's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.